Greetings from Auroville. My name is Manoj. I am part of Auroville Campus Initiative and Purnam Center for Integrality, where we are focusing on educational programs. And in this context of localization, let's say we are facing an emerging global civilization and the danger of global monoculture. And it is this danger that can be countered by the localization movement. And to me, localization implies the emerging, or rather, it is localization that can enable the emergence of diversity, identity, autonomy, and resilience. But for these things to emerge, first, that inner awakening has to happen. The true individual has to emerge. Who am I? What is my purpose? What's my true calling? Where do I belong? Which collective I belong to? That's my own personal journey. I got uprooted from my own culture. I grew up in Kerala. From there, I was uprooted. But in the process of that self-discovery, I discovered that this collective called Auroville, that is where I belong to. That's where my work is, my life's work is. And that gives meaning and purpose. And there is a physical, local context to it now. And there is a purpose to life. Then one can give oneself to that collective action. And it has a geographic identity. There is a cultural identity. There is a spiritual identity. And you find meaning in that. The work is meaningful. At the same time, you have a perception, awareness that is global. There is a global transformation taking place. In that, there is a individualized local cultures emerging. If you look at Auroville, we have people from all over the world, people who are uprooted from their local cultures, but finding a new identity, transnational identity, which is more of a universal culture that is emerging, but which supports diversity, identity, autonomy, and resilience. So we can see that in Auroville, there is tremendous diversity, because within Auroville itself, there is no monoculture. There is space for diversity to thrive, and that can come only when individual is rooting themselves in finding their own authentic self and the self-drive. That Swaraj starts from that ultimate localization, that is your true self. From there arises the force that creates everything else. So our educational programs are primarily focusing on this, laying the foundation for the true localization, that is your self-discovery. Out of that comes your sense of belonging, which collective you will be finding identity, where you can give yourself. What work is that inspires you? Because we have a global access to resources, awareness, everything. But end of the day, work is having its unique local expression and helping people to find that. And my dream is to share that process. How can we help people to find their individual true self within? Because without it, they cannot find the collective they're belonging to. Without that, there is no localization where they can really contribute. So if we look at Auroville, Auroville has its own localized culture. Even though it is people from across the world bringing all the cultures, there is a local culture that has emerged, and a tremendous diversity, and a tremendous self-reliance. We manage our roads, our electricity, our water, and moving towards more and more autonomy in terms of our production and consumption, localization of material resources, but globalization of the knowledge. They can exist simultaneously. There is a global awareness, there is a local action. And that comes from true identity that is discovered and born from within. And that is the possibility that I really would like to share through our education programs. And this is something essential to preserve the diversity, encourage the diversity across the world. Thank you.